Hello, I thought I'd do a quick review of the new Sawyer Mini water filter that I received and compare it to the Sawyer Squeeze, which we used on our 1,500 plus mile hike of the Appalachian Trail last year. Plan on using the Mini this year when Sassafras and I finish the Appalachian Trail. First I'm going to show you the Sawyer Squeeze and the setup that we used on our hike last year. Alrighty, so here we go. This is all that we had. And we kept it in this mesh bag right here. Okay, we each carried one large bag, and I don't know if you can see it delaminated a little bit, but it never leaked. This is the newer bags. The first generation bags did leak. This seems pretty quickly, and that's what this is. This is the bottom half of the first generation bag that we actually cut in half, and we used this to dip water. If we needed to. That was one of the drawbacks of the small mouth of the bottle, is that you couldn't dip water if it was in a pool. So this worked out perfectly. If we had, this is the actual filter. All right, I'll show you that. And that worked well. For clean water, we used Powerade bottles, and we also both carried a small platypus bag, which we also like because the threads match the Sawyer. And I'll show you how we use that in a minute. This is just a little piece of Dorito bag that we cut, and we used this when there was a trickle out of the side of the mountain and we wanted to fill our water bags, and it helped direct the water, and that worked out great. And instead of bringing the Sawyer syringe for back flushing, which I thought was kind of bulky and really didn't want to carry, what I used is I glued two pop bottle tops together, actually with JB Weld, and cut a hole, and we used that to back flush the Sawyer Squeeze. And we only needed to do a couple times, and I'll show you how we'll do that in just a second. Alright, and this is just the setup we used if we needed to back flush. We had the platypus bag and the little adapter I made in the Sawyer filter, and then you just turn the bag up and squeeze, and we did a back flush, and that seemed to work out okay. And here I'm just going to show you real quick about the flow rate that we got from the Sawyer Squeeze. Came out pretty quick, and we fill up our water bottles pretty quickly, and it worked out okay. And this is the setup we got with the Sawyer Mini. Got it at Walmart for 20 bucks. Little drinking straw that I guess attaches to the end. I don't believe we'll use that. A small half-liter squeeze bottle, which also I think is just too small. We'll use the 2-liter bags again. The syringe to back flush it, and then the actual adapter. Okay, so the first thing I saw though is that with the Sawyer Mini, the syringe, it's just a pressure fit here. Then you'd have to press the backfill, so it didn't have the mechanical attachment, and so I thought I'd like to try something a little different than that. And I'll show you that, and I'll show you how quickly water's filtered through this. Okay, this is just a quick look to see how quickly water filters through the new Sawyer Mini. It really seems to flow fast. I think it flows faster than the Sawyer Squeeze. Okay, and quickly I'll show you how the back flushing works with the smart water bottle top on your little platypus bag. It slips quickly onto the outgoing end with a little pressure on the Sawyer Mini, and then you just tip it up and squeeze, and back flushes without any problem. Seems to work perfectly. So that's what we're going to use. Okay, for weights, I blew out the water on the 2 filters after I filtered through them, and we'll see what they weigh. The original Sawyer Squeeze, 3.6 ounces. Okay. And the new Sawyer Mini, wet weight as well. Let's see what we got here. 1.6, so 2 ounces lighter, and I think it's a better product, so it's going to really work out for us. That's it for now. We'll be on the trail at the end of June, and the end of New York, and hiking into Connecticut to finish the trail, and looking forward to it and really happy with the water filter. Thanks for watching. Bye.